Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. A thermal drone flew a 50 megawatt portfolio and found something remarkable. The eastern site had shading that wasn't on any drawings. No trees, no new structures, but thermal data showed afternoon shadows across 15% of the array. A hill 2 miles away was casting shadows in summer. $400,000 a year lost production, invisible to the naked eye. SCADA showed normal averages across all strings. Only thermal drone revealed it. The owner didn't discover until year 4. They'd lost $1.6 million. Today I'm showing shading patterns drones catch and humans miss. Shading analysis is done in the design phase, theoretical, but real-world shading evolves. Vegetation grows, structures appear, reflections change. Most operators assume conditions stay constant. They monitor production using the original shading model. A site designed for 98% POA irradiance might actually be receiving 96.5% due to microshadows. That 1.5% gap, $300,000 to $500,000 a year on a 50 megawatt site. But because it's gradual, it hides in the noise. SCADA data averages across all strings, masking the concentrated loss. Only thermal imaging reveals where the shadow is and how much production it's costing. You're thinking, our site is in a cleared area, no shading. Shading isn't just trees and structures, it's reflections off nearby water bodies. Hills in the distance cast shadows in specific seasons. Building reflections create hotspots in shadowing. Dust accumulation patterns concentrated in windy zones. Vegetation encroachment from neighbors' trees growing into view. All of these are invisible to the naked eye, but visible to thermal drones. Here's how to detect and fix shading. Step 1. Deploy thermal drone in multiple seasons. Get baseline shading patterns for each season. Step 2. Compare thermal data to SCADA production. Which zones are underperforming relative to their irradiance? Step 3. Calculate cost of each shading pattern. $300,000 a year lost to southern shading, worth removing tree. $50,000 a year to afternoon hill shadow, accepted, planted. Step 4. For patterns worth fixing, implement targeted solutions. Remove vegetation. Add trackers to high-value zones. Optimize dispatch to compensate. Step 5. Update your performance model with actual shading data. No more theoretical assumptions. We've covered how shading patterns hide in SCADA data. Thermal drones reveal $300,000 to $400,000 annual losses most operators never see. Your site is probably costing you $300,000 to $400,000 a year to unidentified shading patterns. You won't see it in SCADA reports because they average across zones. Only thermal drone plus AI pattern analysis reveals it. Schedule a free shading pattern audit. Thermal drone plus thermal analysis plus cost quantification will map all shading patterns at your site and show exactly how much each is costing. For 50 megawatt sites, this reveals $200,000 to $500,000 in hidden losses. Some are fixable, some must be planned for. But first, you need to see them. Book your audit. First 30 operators get a detailed shading map and cost report. Your 50 megawatt site is probably costing $400,000 a year to invisible shading patterns. Thermal drones reveal them instantly. SCADA data hides them. Here's what drones see that humans miss. Take action now. Schedule your free shading pattern audit. Thermal drone plus AI analysis plus cost breakdown. Full site thermal imaging. Shading pattern detection. Production impact quantification. Fixable versus permanent loss analysis. $200,000 to $500,000 recovery. Book today. First 30 operators get a detailed shading map. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.